If you want to boost your e-commerce sales, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more Klaviyo tips, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Klaviyo account with Shopify, ensuring a seamless integration process for your e-commerce platform. Whether you are a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just getting started, setting up this connection can help you manage your marketing and sales more efficiently. Start from the Klaviyo homepage and locate the Integrations tab on the left navigation panel. Click Explore Integrations and use the search bar to find Shopify. Click on Shopify, log into your Shopify account and follow the prompts to connect it with Klaviyo. This integration allows customer data and product lists to sync, enabling automated email campaigns and better marketing insights. Once connected, verify the sync by checking your product lists and customer data. If any issues arise, Klaviyo support guides can help troubleshoot. And there you have it. Your Klaviyo account is now fully integrated with Shopify, ready to enhance your marketing campaigns and optimize your online sales.